Okay, go. Now bring him back. Guys, that's not very nice, is it? That's not very nice.
Is he teasing you?